Good morning, children. Today in this class, we will continue with the same topic, that is drainage. We have been discussing about freshwater lakes, the importance of freshwater lakes and examples. So all those things you will see in the slide.
Lagoons are also type of lake. Spits and bars form lagoons in the coastal areas. Important lagoons in India are Chilka Lake, which is the largest saltwater lake of India, Pulicat Lake, and Kolargu Lake. Lakes can also be man-made. These lakes are formed due to the damming of rivers. One such example is Guru Gobind Sagar Lake, formed due to Agra Nagar project.
And so this is one of the biggest and biggest multi-purpose projects in the world. That is Bakarangal project, and this has been constructed on the support of the river Satluj. Satluj is the tributary of the river Indus. It has 5 tributaries: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. So here this Bakarangal project has been constructed on the river Satluj.
Let us now look at the importance of lakes. Maintain an even flow of water during dry season and floods. Used for developing hydropower. Moderate climate of surroundings. Maintain the aquatic ecosystem. Enhance the natural beauty. Develop ecotourism and provide recreation.
These are the main uses of lakes. They may ask you a question. What are the main uses of the lakes? What are the main advantages of the lakes? Here you can see the uses of lakes are maintaining the even flow of water during the dry season and floods, and used for development of tidal power, that is hydroelectricity. Third one is moderate climate of surroundings. It changes the entire climatic conditions. Maintaining the aquatic ecosystem. And next one is enhance the natural beauty and develop ecotourism and provide recreation. Yes, these are the main advantages or merits of freshwater lakes. I mean to say lakes. And simultaneously, these lakes can be classified into 2 types. And one is freshwater lakes and second is saltwater lakes. So here we are discussing about freshwater lakes.
Let us look at the role of rivers in the economy. Water is a basic natural resource. Riverbanks have attracted settlers from the ancient times. River water is essential for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation, fishing, fresh water for drinking, cooking and bathing, and recreation. River, which is such an important resource, is getting polluted these days. The pollution is generally because of growing demand in domestic sector, municipal sector, industrial sector, agricultural sector, a heavy load of untreated sewage from all these mentioned sectors is also a menace. Due to the increasing river pollution, the government is taking several steps to conserve river. One of the important measures taken by the government is the Ganga Action Plan. Ganga Action Plan Phase 1 was initiated in 1985 and closed on March 31st, 2000. The Ganga Action Plan emphasized interception, diverting and treating 882 million liters of water per day out of the 1,340 million liters water per day of wastewater It was generated in 25 Class 1 towns in 3 states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Ganga Action Plan Phase 1 was a dedicated program launched to restore the river back to the Vedic water quality. The Ganga Action Plan Phase 2 has been merged with the National River Conservation Plan. Phase 1 did not fully cover the pollution load of Ganga. So Ganga Action Plan Phase 2 was launched in the stages between 1993 and 1996. Rivers are such an important resource, but harnessing them is not an easy task. The concerned authorities are facing lots of issues regarding this. Let us look at some of the issues. Harnessing the Himalayan rivers is an issue of great concern in Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. Flood control, drought prevention, hydroelectric power generation, job creation, and environmental quality are the major issues. Traditional lifestyles and cultural continuities are also at stake. Large dam projects, such as one on the Narmada River, are also controversial. To utilize the river, linking of rivers is proposed. In this, water can be transferred from the surplus basins to the deficit basins. Linking the major rivers may save life, property, and generate enormous prosperity. Take a look at the proposed plans of Himalayan interlinkage of rivers and Peninsula interlinking of rivers. Test yourself. Name the rivers of the Peninsula India that flow towards the Arabian Sea. The options are Krishna and Kaveri, Mahanadi and Mahi, Ganga and Yamuna, Narmada and Tapi. The answer is Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi are the only major rivers of the Peninsula India that flow or drain into the Arabian Sea. All the other rivers flow or drain into the Bay of Bengal.
A large natural water flows flowing in a channel to save a lake or another river and is called a river. The entire area where the river and its tributaries flow is known as a drainage basin. The drainage system of India are formed by two major groups, the Himalayan